The Atlantic Medical Clinic can purchase a new computer system that will save $8,000 annually in billing costs. The computer system will last for 8 years and have no salvage value. Up to how much should Atlantic Medical Clinic be willing to pay for the new computer system if the clinic's required rate of return is 16%? What if it's 20%? Let's begin with the 16% case. The $8,000 annual savings in terms of billing cost represent an annuity, so we need to begin by looking up our present value annuity factor for 8 years at 16% interest. We get a present value annuity factor of 4.344. To find the present value of the annuity, then, we multiply the 4.344 by the $8,000 a year annual cash flow, and we get a present value of $34,752. If we were to use our financial calculator, we would enter N for the number 8 for the number of periods N, 16% for the interest rate. The annual payment or cash flow would be $8,000, and we would enter 0 for the future value and solve for the present value, and we would get $34,749. At a 20% discount rate or required rate of return, our present value annuity factor is 3.837. If we multiply this by the $8,000 annual cash flow, we find the present value at 20% interest is only $30,696. Notice, as interest rates go up, the present value decreases. The present value of the cash flows using our financial calculator, we would enter 8 for the number of periods, 20 for the interest rate. Again, the payment would be $8,000, 0 for the future value, and solving for a present value, we would get $30,697. If our required rate of return is 16%, the most we would be willing to pay for the computer system would be $34,749. At a 20% required rate of return, the most we would be willing to pay for the computer system is $30,697.